Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Chevy Impala door with a key. First, find the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It's usually discreetly placed. Insert your physical key all the way into the keyhole. Then, gently turn the key clockwise about 1/4 of a turn. You should feel a slight click as the lock disengages. This simple action will unlock your door, allowing you to enter your vehicle easily. Sometimes, a lock might feel a bit stiff or stuck. If this happens, try applying gentle, consistent pressure while turning the key. Avoid forcing it, as this could damage the key or the lock mechanism. You can also try wiggling the key very slightly as you turn. If the lock is consistently difficult, a small amount of graphite lubricant can often help free up the internal components, making it much smoother to operate. For some Impala models, if the driver's door is particularly stubborn, you might have an alternative. Check if your trunk has a separate keyhole. Unlocking the trunk can sometimes provide access to the vehicle's interior. Once the trunk is open, you may be able to fold down the rear seats. This allows you to climb into the cabin and manually unlock the driver's door from the inside, offering a useful workaround. Modern Chevy Impala key fobs often contain a hidden physical key for emergencies. Look for a small button or switch on the side or back of your key fob. Press or slide this mechanism, and a small, traditional key will pop out. This emergency key is designed specifically for manual door unlocking when the fob battery is dead or the remote function isn't working. It's a crucial backup to know about.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.